Do you always forget recycling day? Then follow this tutorial and find out how to receive a notification directly from your Home Assistant calendar. To get this fantastic result, just a few simple steps will be enough. You will need to integrate the calendar into the Home Assistant, upload images to the media folder, write an automation and use a template to activate the notification through your phone's alarm clock. Final gem, we will also create a convenient button to activate a voice memo on a Google Home device. Let's go. As a first step, simply integrate the calendar into Home Assistant. From the Settings menu we click on Integrations and then on Add Integration. We look for the Calendar item. Click on Local Calendar. We enter a name for our calendar and confirm, our calendar has just been created. It will be reachable from the Home Assistant side menu.
Let's now add the events to our calendar. In the example, the waste sorting is Monday of each week. We pay attention to selecting the correct calendar and configure the weekly repetition for each event. Here is the result. Step 2. Let's upload an image. If we want a notification with an image, it will be necessary to upload it to the Media folder. From the side menu of Home Assistant, we click on Media, then on My Media. Through the Manage button, we upload our image. Now we can use it in our automations.
Step 3. From the Settings menu we click on Automations and Scenarios, and let's create a new automation. As a trigger we choose a model and insert the code you find below in the description. It will serve to activate notifications only if you have set an alarm on your smartphone. The template standardizes the date and time formats. It will activate the automation when the time is the same as the alarm clock. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can enter a fixed time as the trigger.
Remember to enter the correct name of the smartphone entity. You can find it in Developer Tools by searching for Next Alarm in the States.
We add as a condition the existence of an event in our calendar for that time. Let's search for the name of the entity of our calendar and then select it. We set the status to On. Let's insert a 30-minute delay. It will be used to receive the notification half an hour after waking up. Finally, we call the Notify service as an action. It will send a notification to all devices on which the Home Assistant application is installed. The code must be written in YAML and not with assisted compilation, as it contains a model that reads the message attribute from the calendar. Done, all that remains is to test the automation.
Have you followed the tutorial this far? You deserve a gift. Together we will create a button that will tell your Google Home what the calendar predicts today. Go to Automation Scenarios and create a new script. Now paste the following code. Change the code by replacing the name of the Google Home entity with yours. Now create a button. Enter a name and an icon. As an action, choose Toggle. Then call the newly created script as a service. Now you can listen directly from your Google device what the calendar predicts for today. Done. Now have fun customizing the project as you like.
Raccolta differenziata. Oggi si butta. Umido.
Continue to follow us. In the next video we will see how to manage your appointments with small variations to the project.
Se questo video è stato di tuo gradimento metti un like, e non dimenticare di iscriverti al canale. Al prossimo video.